Hello, this is the Daily Forex Report for October 20th. We are looking at the US-Japanese yen pair. This particular pair moved lower, did break previous support, but pulled back to close a little bit higher. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 81.99, possibly as low as 80.34. Look for some resistance around 81.75 and look for some support around 80.75. Now the Euro-USD pair, this particular pair moved higher today, had a very large range, did close higher, overall moving sideways, biased to sideways. Currently look for it to potentially go as high as 141.93, possibly as low as 136.29. Look for some resistance around 139.95 and look for some support around 136.95. Now the pound US dollar pair, this particular pair moved higher. It had a very large range as well. It's moving sideways overall. Look for it to potentially go as high as 160.41, possibly as low as 155.72. Look for some resistance around 159.25 and look for some support around 156.46. Now last but not least, we have the US Swiss. This particular pair dove down today. Moving sideways overall, biased to sideways. Look for it to potentially go as high as 0.9768 if we get a pullback, possibly moving down to 0.9474. Look for some resistance around 0.9715 and look for some support around 0.9550. Now as far as news announcements go, we really don't have any significant news announcements for this next session. So what are we looking at as far as the trade? We have the US Swiss has created a swing trade opportunity over the past 3 sessions. Right here we have a higher high than the bar before it and after it, and we have a higher low here in the middle than the bar before and after it. So we have potential if the market were to move lower to come on down. Where would we potentially exit? We have a couple of exits. We have an exit here where we have previous support here and here, and we have a potential for this to even move lower, coming down a little bit further here, and if you want to bring it on down to here, you can do that as well. So potential exits along the way. This first one is about a 40 pip move. That's a great time to exit, potentially go to break even, look for it to go another 20 pips or so, and then possibly another 40 to around 102 pips. Now that would mean that overall movement was over about 130 pips. Not unheard of to have a range that large. If you notice, today's was around that. Actually, it was over that. Today's range was around 146 pips. So it's possible that it could come down and hit this bottom exit. So definitely look for it. This is a great way to trail your stop down, go to break even, or use 2 or 3 lots. What you can do with that is you look to sell here. Go ahead and sell 3 lots or mini lots, micro lots. Exit the first one here. Go to break even on the rest of them, on the other 2. And once you get here, go ahead and exit an additional lot. And then move your stop loss from break even to this point on your 3rd lot, and then see if that 3rd one will run down. If it does, then of course you can exit your 3rd lot there. So that's another way to play this. Well, that about wraps us up for today. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.